What's up everyone? In this video I'll explain to you what dropshipping is, and I'll show you how to start, the steps you need to start. So first of all, what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is a business model where you have an online store, let's say on Shopify or WooCommerce, or other online stores, and you do offer or list an item for sale. However, you don't physically have the item. Instead, this item is listed on another seller website such as CJ Dropshipping, AliExpress, and others, and you only list the item. And once you get an order on this item on your website, you could go to the other dropshipping retailer and ship the item to your client. Of course, you are like offering it on your website with a higher price than it is originally at the retailer, and you get the price difference at as a profit. So the cool thing about it is you don't have to have inventory of the physical item itself. You don't need to have it physically. You don't have to have like a stock of it. You just sell as you go, or like ship the item from the retailer as you go, and you ship it to the customer. So that's pretty cool. Now, first of all, you need a couple of things in order to start a dropshipping business. You need an e-commerce store or an online store, such as on a platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and others. And in this video, I'm just using a Shopify store. So it's pretty easy. You go to shopify.com, sign up for a free account, and of course you can upgrade it later. It's pretty easy and straightforward. And the second thing is you need to find a dropshipping retailer or provider, such as CJ Dropshipping or DSers, which is an app that integrates with AliExpress, which is of course a pretty popular retailer, online retailer. And this is like the plugin for AliExpress that can integrate with all kinds of online stores. So once you choose it, let's say for this video I'm going to choose CJ Dropshipping. The process is pretty easy and similar. Now all you have to do is to link your online store, your Shopify store, to CJ Dropshipping, and then list. You can search for item. As you can see here, they have all sorts of items that you can import to your Shopify store. So to list it or to connect your Shopify store here, go here to authorization and choose Shopify, and you have all kinds of online stores. Click on Shopify. Now all you need to do is to click here on Add Store and then authorize, and you will be redirected to the page where you can enter your Shopify store's URL, where you can get it from the settings here. And this is the URL that you want to enter. And by connecting them, you can list the products from CJ Dropshipping and start selling them on your Shopify store.